Hi, thank you for visiting. Today I'm going to show you brand new LG soundbar SN7CY. So let's start it. It sounds good. The producer showed to us that this is what we're looking for from soundbar. So I already bought one and now I'm going to show to you in the real life how it look and how it works. So this is the soundbar. Here you will get 2 speakers, and I just want to tell you that the whole there around our speakers inside too. So it's not just here, you will have around speakers as well. You will get 2 on the back. Let me show you. Look, this is the one which I'm talking about, and this is the second one. It is like some buffer for bass, right? So in this model you have full cinema system, which you can get in maximum way from soundbar. I'm going to show you now. It's the ports. You will get HDMI port in, HDMI port out. You will get a USB port, and you will get also the optical port. So yeah. Okay. And what more I'm going to tell you, if you will order for you like this set, definitely you will get with this remote control. Is a basic remote control with sound effects, repeat, volume control, and of course sound control in the full of settings which offering this soundbar. I just want to tell you, when I bought this soundbar, really makes me happy. Why? So I'm going to show you just in a second, but before we go to this, I wanted to just recommend you that if you like what you see and you wanted to see more video like this and you like my channel, please don't forget and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. So I'm going to show you now sound effects of this soundbar. But the sound is very clear. So now we just try to remove. This is the sound which sounds on the music sound effect. This is auto detect what the sound is about. This is bass, so it sounds like bass. So yeah, this is iMac, and this is basic standard mode. And this is movie. You have surround 3D. Okay then, how I show you, there is many function of sound effects, and every sound effect is really dedicated for what you're watching. If you were watching, let's say, music clips, so definitely you should choose music, so you will hear the music as you should. And the most important is, of course, we all decided to buy this one just to watching videos, movies, right? So I'm using always the movie, because the movie sound effects will give me the feelings that I really feel like in cinema. There, no matter when you're gonna sit on the side or on the front, the sound is going over your ceiling, on your top, straight to you. so you will definitely feel the whole emotion like you will sit in the cinema. I really experienced this, and this is the true of soundbar which made LG. I know that I'm not the best YouTuber who doing the best reviews, but I'm definitely doing the real reviews for you now. And what I'm gonna to tell you, this is worth it to buy. As you see, I bought for me, I use it, and I'm really happy. If not, I will return as well. I have that option, but I'm not gonna return it. I'm gonna leave it for me because this soundbar is good. And here is a tip: if your TV is not LG, like mine is Sony, but it's smart, so this LG system definitely will works. For me it working. Just the one issue which I realize is that sometimes the soundbar is open, is turned on, is turned off. There's nothing happen, it's not giving sounds, but if your TV will be switched off, you can maybe notice that your soundbar tell you goodbye or hello when you don't wanna. This is just a little bit issue, but completely it's working fine with my Sony Bravia TV. And what more I'm gonna to let you know, I'm using the remote control from the TV to control the volume. So yeah, I think so it's working together. If you are not sure, because you maybe your TV is a little bit old, few years old, so you can just check on the LG website. But what I'm gonna to do now, I will add the link below in the description to the model, so you can buy straight away. And of course this soundbar is made just now 2020, so the production include everything what you should have. I don't want to forget about that. You can stream in Bluetooth, you can have wireless connections, you can listen music not just from TV, but you can as well connect with your iPhone and Spotify or Deezer, wherever you app using to listen the music. You can just straight away send the song to this soundbar and then listen music on it. Okay guys, so this is all for today. I don't want to extend this video. I hope that I explain and show the functionality which you should know before you decide to buy this one. If not, then always you can comment below and I will try to help you find a good answer for you for your question. And if you not yet subscribe my channel, you can do it of course just now and wait for a while, because soon just here you will see more of my video reviews, so you can watch it straight away, another video, maybe you like it. Thank you very much, have a nice day and see you in next video. Cheers.